equation from the problem. So the first question of this problem asks to determine the minimum speed that is required such that when the tennis ball is launched horizontally, it will just clear the net. Okay, so we will use the kinematic equation for vertical position to solve for this, which is this. So the tennis ball is in projectile motion. So its motion is due to gravity alone, so there is no horizontal component for its acceleration. So a sub x is 0. And setting the initial horizontal position of the ball as a 0 horizontal position, then x naught is 0. Then our